In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a contact from your contact list in Microsoft Teams. If you want to keep your contact list organized and remove someone you no longer need there, the process is very quick. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and go to the People section. This is where your saved contacts are listed. Once you're there, take a moment to look through the list and find the person you want to remove. Make sure you select the correct contact before moving forward, especially if you have several contacts with similar names. When you've found the right person, look for the 3 dots beside their name. This is the More Options menu, and it gives you access to additional actions you can take for that contact. Click those 3 dots to open the menu. After the menu appears, click on Delete. This tells teams that you want to remove that person from your contact list. At this stage, you may see a confirmation prompt. This extra confirmation is there to help prevent accidental deletions, which is useful if you click the option by mistake. To complete the removal, click Delete again in the confirmation window. Once you do that, the contact will be removed from your list. That's all it takes. The contact should no longer appear in your people list after the deletion is confirmed. If you don't see the change right off, try waiting a moment or refreshing the page or app view. In some cases, small updates can take a few seconds to appear. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that deleting a contact from your list does not necessarily block them or remove past conversations automatically. It simply removes them from your saved contacts so your list stays cleaner and easier to manage. If your goal is something more specific like blocking communication, you would need to use a different option. This is a simple but useful task if you're cleaning up old contacts, removing duplicates, or keeping your team's workspace more organized. Taking a minute to manage your contact list can make it easier to find the people you actually work with most often. And that's how to remove a contact from your contact list in Microsoft Teams.